start with the another question. So this is question from CSIR NET JRF December 2018 and question number is 42, booklet code is A. So your question is from again ordinary differential equation. So we have to identify the classification of the critical point, which is a 0, 0. So your question is the critical point 0, 0 of this system of equation is stable spiral, unstable spiral, saddle point or stable knot. So these are 4 options. So we know that if your system of equation is x dash equal to p of xy, which is a function of x and y dash equal to q of xy, again function of xy. This system may be linear or may be non-linear system where p and q has first order continuous partial derivative. Then the Jacobian matrix of this system is given by partial derivative of p with respect to x, partial derivative of p with respect to y, partial derivative of q with respect to x, partial derivative of q with respect to y at a given critical point 0, 0. Just we have to find the Jacobian matrix. Now for a given system of equation, this matrix J is partial derivative of p with respect to x is 1 at point 0, 0, partial derivative with respect to y at 0, 0 is minus 2, and partial derivative of q with respect to x at 0, 0 is 2, and similarly this last quantity is minus 5. So this is too close to real matrix, again symmetric matrix, so definitely roots are real, and the characteristic polynomial of this matrix is given by x square plus 4x minus 1. Hence the eigenvalue of this matrix is say lambda 1 or minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 4 by 2. That is, the eigenvalue of this Jacobian matrix are real and distinct with opposite sign, and we know that if the eigenvalue of this Jacobian matrix are real, distinct and with opposite sign, then the critical point is a saddle point and one of the eigenvalue is a positive, hence this critical point is unstable saddle point. So now here given system is non-linear. For linear or non-linear system, you can classify the critical point based on this Jacobian matrix, provided the eigenvalue of this Jacobian matrix are non-repeatedly real or purely imaginary. For more detail, just you can go to Gurukulam channel and listen the lecture how to classify the critical point of linear system or non-linear system. So hence answer of this question is third, which is saddle point.